Welcome back. To start creating your Facebook group, you must have an existing Facebook account. Head to www.facebook.com/groups. Then click on Create Group and proceed to fill in the details of your group. Facebook makes it compulsory that you need to add at least one friend into the group to create it. It's recommended that you get your friend's permission or interest before adding them into the group. Adding them in cold will almost certainly kill the engagement of your group. For now, just put in your own email to create the group. Then select the privacy settings. You can have it as public, closed, or secret depending on the purpose and direction of the group. Click Create and select an icon to represent the group. You can skip this if you want to do this later. Click OK. Your group is now created. You can personalize your group by adding in a cover photo and details of the group. You can also link your page with the group. You are now good to go.